everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash stuffing for the week. I have $3.98 here that I'm going to be putting into all of my envelopes. I'm actually going to first start off in my wallet. I have some leftover money in here that I need to take out, and then I'll be able to restuff this with the new amounts. So let's see how much I didn't spend. Most of this money is going into savings. So spending, I started the week with $30. I have $16 left, so that's all going into savings. Eating out, I had $30, and I have $8 left, so this is all going into savings as well. Okay, and then groceries, this one is going into Costco, so it's not going into savings, but I have $3, so that'll go into Costco, probably to spend next week. Coffee, nothing in coffee, spending every bit of that, enjoying every bit of that. Buffer, okay, I did use this. I did use a little bit of it. Okay, so I have 7. So I had 10 at the beginning of the week, and now I have 7. So this is all going into savings. All right, so I started the week with 170. So let's see how much I have left over. So I can note that on my page here. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 34 leftover money, and 31 of that is going into savings. Okay. All right, so that's good because that'll help me with some savings challenges. 10, 15, 20, 25, 16, 18, 30, yeah, 31. I don't know why I thought I counted that wrong, but that's a pretty good amount. That'll be going into savings challenges at the end of the video. All right, now I can restuff these with the same amounts that I started the week with. So spending will get 30 this week. Also eating out will get 30. Groceries will get 80. And then coffee will get 20. And buffer will get 10. So 5, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So that leaves me with the rest of the money. All the 10s, 5s, and 1s, that's going into my binders. So move this down. Now into the binders to fill these, all the envelopes up. So first up we have auto. This is getting 10 this week. I try my best every week to put something into these envelopes because it just helps to add money into them every week. So I have 150, 70, 80, 90, 95, 195 for auto. 195. Electronics gets 5. Now this has 1, 2, 250, 270, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 288 in electronics. $288. Emergency gets 10. I already have $2,500 in the bank. So in cash I have 1, 2, 350, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 383. So that's 2,883. Yes, 2,883. An emergency. Extra savings gets 15. So now that has 30. An extra savings. Furniture gets 5. So now furniture has 225 in furniture. 225. Month ahead gets 15. All right, I have $1,500 in the bank already. So in cash, I have 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. 158, so 1658 total in month ahead. 1658. Rainy day gets 5. So now rainy day has 1, 2, 350, 60, 65, 70, 370. Rainy day. Registration is fully funded. This is at 170. So nothing goes in there. Road trip gets 5. So now road trip has 20. Scentsy gets 5. So that has 45 in Scentsy. 45. Subscriptions gets 5. So now that has 150, 70, 75, 80, 180. Travel gets 5. Oh, this 5 is ripped. That's okay. I taped it back together. So I have 20, 25, 30. Gives it character. So that's good. 30 bucks in travel. Alright, so that is it for the black binder. Next up is the pink one. Alright, so let's go into the pink one. We have Go Wild. That is getting 15 this week. I already have 500 in the bank. So now Go Wild has 150, 220, 30, 40, 45, 46, 246. Plus the 500 is 746 for Go Wild. Yeah, 746. Disneyland gets 10. So this has 60 now in Disneyland. Uh, 60. Tires gets 5. And now Tires has 20, 30, 35, 40 in Tires. Okay, 40 in Tires. Treat Yourself gets 10. So I did an unstuffing video, but you'll probably see that later this week because I don't plan on posting it before this video. But I already unstuffed all this money. Right now, this 10 is going towards putting back into savings what I already spent. So that's $10 to start that off. And that's all that has. Fun gets 5. All right, so Fun has 70 in Fun. 70. Hobbies gets 5. So that's 30 in Hobbies. 30. Christmas gets 5. This is another one. I just took most of the money back to the bank for this. So I have 1,010 now, so $10 in cash. 1,010. Holiday decor gets 5. Alright, so that has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 64 in holiday decor. 64. Alright, so that is it for this binder. Next up is the gray one. This one's everything's getting $5. I usually try to at least put 5 in each of these envelopes. So Beauty is getting 5 this week. I think that's all it has. Yeah, I spent all of it on nail stuff. So that's 5. Clothing gets 5. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37 in clothing. 37. Costco gets 5 and also the 3 from my leftover money. So it's actually getting 8. So this now has 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 in Costco. Let me update this. 22. And then this is 22. All right, family is getting 5. So now that has 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 in family. Gifts is getting 5. So now that has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76 in gifts. 76. Home is getting 5. So 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72 and home. 72. I've been meaning to buy myself like a new comforter. I've been meaning to do this for like over a year, and I just something comes up always, but I really need to do that soon. Household is getting 5. I just want to get like a plain like white one, because then I can change out like other blankets for seasonal stuff. So that's on my list of to-dos. All right, so household got 5, so that's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 in household. 29. Pantry is fully funded at 30. So that one's good. Target gets 5. Okay. So that has 65 now in Target. All right, so now that that is done, I can go into my savings. Exciting savings. Oh, I forgot my 100 envelope. Okay, I have to grab my 100 envelope. I have to grab a couple of things because I didn't bring them over here. And then I can do my savings challenges. First one I want to do is the roll the dice one, because that one I'm putting 6 into that one. I already figured that one out. So that's getting 6. Okay, so that got what it's supposed to get, $6. Cash Dash is next. Okay, so Cash Dash, I was planning on doing 10. Making sure I have the right amounts. Okay, looks good. And then I have this leftover money. Okay, so I could, let's see what I have left. Okay, so I have money here that's just waiting, so that way I can add it and hopefully color in a section on this challenge here. Sorry, the lighting is all over the place because I'm using natural light, and then I just realized like the sun keeps coming in and out. It's been cloudy. It was raining yesterday, but it was barely raining. It like rained a little bit. But it was really nice to have the rain. But today it's just kind of a little cloudy and then not cloudy. All right, so I have the 10, which I could do 25. So I'm adding it to the 15. I already had 10, 25, but I do have leftover money. Let's see, do I have a 30, 25? I do have a 30 spot. Let's do, what about a 40 spot? I could do a 40 spot. Okay, I'm gonna do a 40. So I'm gonna add $15 from the leftover money over to this pile of money. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, and then I can color in a 40 section here to knock out one of the large amounts, which I think I want to do this one here. Okay, that's colored in. So I did, I need to note all this stuff. So, okay, instead of 10, I added 25. Yeah, because I did the 10 and 5 from here, and then the 10 that I planned on doing, so that's 25 plus the 15 that I was kind of holding for my last cash stuffings. So now I have 40, and now I can add this to the back. Okay, cool. Took me 3 cash stuffings to finally be able to color in an area, but good. All right, so that is done. Next is the 100 envelope. Okay, 100 envelope, I was gonna do 5, But again, I have leftover money, so I'll add a 5. Let's see what other one I can do. This is new. I literally have done only one. So I'm just starting this challenge all over again. So let's do, I have all these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 14. We'll do a 14. So I have the 5, and then 9 from leftover money to do 14. 10, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. So we'll do 14, which is on this sleeve. Here. So 14 instead of 5. Perfect. Next is treat yourself. This one I'm doing 10. I'm just going to leave this one at 10 like I planned on doing and color in the 10. I want to do this mini one, the mini chocolate one. Let me get my markers. All right, I got this brown marker. I'll do a little pink one, a pink bow. Okay, oops, I dropped my marker. Okay, and then I'll color in the chocolate bar here with the brown. And then I'm thinking for the actual little popsicle piece, this little part, maybe I'll do this pink. I'm just working with the colors I have in this thing. Yeah, this works actually. Perfect. Okay, how cute is that? All right, so that's a 10. That's good. All right, so that one's done. I did 10. Next is the $5 challenge, which is the little piggy one, but I have another 5, so I'm going to do 15 instead of 10. So 15. So I'm going to color in 3 of these little guys. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm coloring in the scarf a purple color. Perfect. All right, so that is the little pig challenge, the little Penny the Pig $5 challenge done. And then last is the $1 challenge. I plan on doing 2, but now I'm doing 4. I doubled that thanks to leftover money. So that leftover money comes in super handy to help me save a little bit more. All right, so that's just going in there, and that is it for this video. That is my cash stuffing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.